Hi, I'm Caitlin Jenkins, the family law vlogger, and today's vlog is all to mark a special anniversary, which is the 40th anniversary of the Hague Convention on Child Abduction. So what is this convention and why is it important in the sphere of family law? Well, this one is particularly important for the arrangements for children. So imagine a situation in which you have, for example, an English dad and a French mum, and they live in England and they have a child together, and their primary base is in England, so that child's habitual residence is England. And for whatever reason, the mum decides to go back to France. So either takes the child to France or just doesn't come back at the end of a holiday without permission of the dad. So in that scenario, what the Hague Convention does is, first of all, it will find the child. So using some central authorities, central authority in each of the signatory countries, it will find the child. And then, but for some very specific exceptions around fear of abuse or persecution, it will direct that the child has to come back to the country of origin. So in that example, brought back from France to England. So at that stage then, that means that the English courts, so the courts where the child has been habitually resident for some time, can actually then make a decision, or the parents can make a decision if they can agree it, about whether the child can relocate to France permanently. But it's about bringing the child back. That's the key thing about the Hague Convention on Child Abduction. It stops unilateral decisions being made by one parent to take a child to another country. It brings the child back to the country of origin so that a balanced decision can be made, either by the parents together or, if necessary, by that local court, taking into account the broad range of factors about what's in that child's best interests and how it can have an ongoing relationship with both parents. So the convention isn't specifically stopping people from moving to live in another country permanently with the child, but it's making sure they're not able to do that unilaterally. So it's a really important convention, and it's one that's used quite a lot. Occasionally you'll hear about it in the press, and as I say, it's celebrating its 40th anniversary. Now, not every country in the world is a signatory to it. At the moment, there are 101 countries who are signatories, and so it is prevalent across the world, but not necessarily in every country. And we have a very helpful Canadian expert to thank for setting up this convention and having the idea for it. And it's certainly safeguarded the interests and the broader interests of many, many children over the years since the convention was signed. So that's a little bit about the Hague Convention and its anniversary. If you have any questions about your circumstances, then please do contact me. My details are at the bottom of this blog, or any of my contacts and my colleagues in the Mills & Reeve Family and Children team. Thank you.